So both the number plate lights are out on this Corsa. So I thought today we'd have a look at changing them. So for those that have seen the Clio video, the Corsa is pretty similar, to be fair. You can just about see there's like a plastic tab. You can just use a flat screwdriver or something like that, just to kind of push it in as it goes in, and it will just come away on that side, and then the whole light comes out. So with the light out, what we can see, obviously we've got the electrical connection with the clip there, but then there's the bulb in there that we want to get to. So what we should be able to do is just twist the fit in like that, there we go, and then give it a little wiggle, and away it comes. And there is our bulb. So this one is obviously gone, which is why it looks in a funny condition. So what we should be able to do is just give it a pinch, give it a little pull, and away it comes. There we go. And then, as with any bulb, obviously make sure you've got clean fingers. So I've actually put some fresh, clean gloves on. And then what we can see, we've got a new bulb, looks good. We're just going to slide it in, make sure it goes in, gets the contact. And then with the bulb back in, we can see kind of it's got this little clippy Barbie bit there. And when we look in the housing, we can see exactly the same kind of where it mates into it. So we can then offer it in, slide those barbs into it. He says, there we go, give it a little twist, and then we should be able to just pop it back up, back into the recess. There we go, just like that. And now let's turn the ignition on and get the lights on. Okay, so there we go. We just turned the side lights on. We don't need to put the ignition on, but there we go. One light changed. So hopefully that's been useful. If you've enjoyed it or found it helpful in any way, please remember to give us a like down below. Also, remember to hit subscribe coming up here now. It's the easiest way to find your way back to the channel. So thanks very much. I'll get this other one done now, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.